Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are good. So today I want to do a mouse tray. A mouse tray. So let's start. I'm using the sprite, which is the cat. I'm making use of the cat. The first thing I want to do is then I'm going to where black. Then let's start. Go to control, which is control block uses from command. Then bring out when I control when it starts as a clone means duplicate. That means duplicate of this tab. Then it will show events. So control and bring out repeat 10. Repeat 10. Then go to loops blocks, loops block, which are then change color effect style to modify and go to control again and start to this from. I'm telling you to what to delete. First thing when I start as a color, repeat then turn off this, then you change the color of the clone and start with keep it to scroll. Then next is when I click, when flag click and control, go to forever block, forever code, and go to motion block, which is for movement, and bring out go to random position. Then change my random position to mouse pointer and go to control and bring out create cool and set. So let's start. Oh, can you see what's going on? Creating duplicate. Can you see? Of myself. That means I asked it to go to what? Random position. So let me stop it. Just telling you to go to random position. Let me click on mouse point. And then anywhere my mouse point, it should what? It should duplicate. That means it should create a code of itself. And I also go to my sound. I can also go to my motion block and bring out change X by 10. That means, let me stop. That means if you change X, it should move towards X by what 10. You can also click on change X by -10. So let's see. Can you see the difference? It's so interesting. So I can also do what? Click change this X to Y and bring it out and put it as Y and also what? Click on the Y axis. Can you see? It's changing. It's going upward. I can also make the clone to go downward. So let me just press -10. So minus -10. Okay, -10. So can you see what happened? What happened? What's going on? My code is going downward. So that's all for today. You can also use any sprite of your choice. You can make use of balloon. You can make use of a ball. You can make use of a star. You can make anything. So make use of something interesting. Bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.